In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping settings on your Etsy shop. This process will help you efficiently manage deliveries and enhance your customers' shopping experience. Let's dive in, starting with navigating through your shipping settings. First, you'll need to log into your Etsy account. Once you've logged in, head over to your shop manager. When you're in your shop manager, you're just a few clicks away from accessing your shipping configurations. Go ahead and find the settings option, then click on shipping settings. This is where you can manage all things related to getting your products from you to your customers. Look for the shipping profiles tab at the top. Click on that and we're ready to move on to the next phase. Now let's talk about creating a new profile. On the shipping profiles page, you'll see an option that says add a shipping profile or possibly a plus create profile button. Give that a click and this will bring you to the main creation screen, which is essentially your dashboard for creating a comprehensive shipping profile. When it comes to setting shipping prices, you'll want to choose I'll enter fixed prices manually. This option provides you with more control over what buyers will pay, allowing you to manage your costs effectively. Next up is entering profile details. Start with specifying the country of origin, which is where you are shipping from. This is an important piece of information as it impacts international shipping settings and rates. Then, you need to decide on the processing time, which is the time you will need to prepare an order before it actually ships out. It's crucial to be realistic here, like setting a range of 1 to 3 business days. Remember, this time is strictly for preparation and doesn't include actual delivery time. After setting up your basic details, it's time to set fixed prices in the standard shipping section. Here, determine a fixed price for shipping within your own country and any other regions you want to offer shipping services to. You'll see options for the primary cost, which is the cost to ship a single item by itself. Then you can enter the secondary cost, which is typically lower. For instance, if shipping one sticker costs $1, adding another sticker to the same package might just add an extra $0, 10. Moving on to shipping options, select the services you'd like to offer. For small items, something like USPS First Class could work well. Don't forget to consider offering shipping upgrades like Express or Priority Mail for faster delivery. Just make sure to determine any additional costs carefully, factoring in the method of shipping and your product's weight. Lastly, before we finish, give your shipping profile a descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it later when you're listing new products. Once you're satisfied with all the details, simply click Save Profile to lock in all your settings. And there you have it, a detailed guide on setting up shipping settings in your Etsy shop. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth experience for both you and your customers. Thank you for watching and happy shipping on Etsy.